Hi, my name is Mark. I'm the contracts manager here at Skyline Fire Stopping. Mate, I told you, I am destined. Yeah, we're on a bit of a smaller project today, and we're currently in the basement section, which is going to be some form of communal workspace. We've been following the clerk of works and the architect's instruction, which has been all based around the fire strategy drawings. We should be finished end of play today, potentially returning for a separate phase of the dry risers. If you're a contractor and you have a project similar to this, then don't hesitate to get in touch.
Perfect.